this video, I'm going to teach you how to back up a WordPress site manually. So in order to do this, what we can do is you first need to head over to wordpress.com, click onto this get started right here in order to create an account, or click onto this login right here in order to log into one. Since I already have an account, let me head over and log in. So I have in here my WordPress sites. So for example, if you want to back up something, you can click on the three dots right there. And as you can see, we can just open its admin, its sites, and you can prepare for launch. You can head over and click onto the settings option right here. And then from in there, you can see its site visibility, its database right here, STF and likes. If you click onto this database, you can find its database, and from in there, it can actually run using this by upgrading your account. Now, in here, you can also do the same thing if you have it onto your actual site. So you can head over and click on your site and then just go over and then edit the settings for that. Now, in here, it should be able to open this My PHP admin. You can head over and open this if you would want. Just click on this and it will open it in your new tab. So you'll be redirected to the PHP My Admin option wherein you can actually manually get all of your details for this. So for example, we have in here this, we have our details, our site options, appearance, and the likes. So if you want to actually back it up, you can click onto this export option right there and choose in here the export method. Choose in here the format that you want and click on export in order to export all of the files that you have. Once you click on this, this will actually open or initiate the download process for this particular part, and you can actually integrate it to your next website that you would want. So that's how you back up WordPress site manually. Hope we helped.